If you are looking for a fun new frosting recipe to try, this delicious pineapple whipped cream frosting is perfect. Light and fluffy yet full of flavor, you can't go wrong with this recipe. It is perfect for enjoying your favorite desserts on a warm summer day, as it is so refreshing. This recipe is simple to make and requires no previous experience baking. It is sure to be a hit at any party you have, as the combination of sweet pineapple and fresh whipped cream is hard to beat. This frosting is one that you will want to keep on hand for any special celebration. Uses for pineapple whipped cream frosting. Pineapple whipped cream frosting can be used for many different things. It pairs great with cupcakes, cakes, and even cookies, plus much more. For something more traditional, you can pair pineapple whipped cream with yellow or vanilla cake. The sweet, juicy pineapple pairs deliciously with a moist cake. It is also great with pineapple upside-down cake and also coconut cake. For something more unique, try the frosting with a strawberry or even a lemon cake. If you are looking for something fun, try it with pina colada cupcakes. You can even enjoy it atop your favorite milkshake for a delicious and refreshing treat. If you are wanting a simple yet tasty dessert, this pineapple whipped cream tastes amazing with sugar cookies. You can also try this atop a classic cheesecake. For breakfast, try this with your pancakes or waffles for a truly amazing treat. Fresh versus canned pineapple. Since fresh pineapple can be hard to come by, it is fine to use canned pineapple for this dessert. If you do use canned pineapple, be sure to drain the excess juice. Too much liquid will mess up the consistency of the frosting, causing it to lose its fluffy consistency. What you will need. Ingredients: 1 pint heavy whipping cream, chilled. 20 ounces crushed pineapple, drained. 2 to 3 tablespoons confectioner's sugar. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Place your mixing bowl from your mixer and whisk it in the fridge to chill. Cold equipment will help your whipped cream come together better. Step 2. Carefully dice your pineapples into fine pieces and then crush them. If you are using canned pineapples, drain them well, and if desired, chop them finely as well. Step 3. Using your electric mixer with the bowl and whisk that have been chilled, whip the cream with the powdered sugar. Beat the cream at high speed until stiff peaks form, approximately 4 minutes. Step 4. Once your cream has reached stiff peaks, add your pineapple. Carefully fold the pineapple in. Be sure to do so gently in order to not deflate the whipped cream. Step 5. Using an offset spatula or piping bag, frost your cake with the pineapple whipped cream. You may also pair it with any other of your favorite baked goods. Tips and tricks. Store this whipped cream frosting in an airtight container in the fridge for 1 to 2 days. After a couple of days, whipped cream will begin to deflate and lose its consistency. Any baked goods frosted with whipped cream, whether cake, cupcakes, cheesecake, or cookies, should also be kept in the fridge. Whipped cream frosting will begin to melt at room temperature, so it must be kept cold. Whipped cream frosting does not freeze well. It is very delicate and can easily lose its texture and even taste when frozen. However, you can freeze your cakes unfrosted and then frost them once you are ready to use them to save time. Be sure when serving your baked goods with pineapple and whipped cream to keep them out of the sun. Whipped cream will quickly melt when exposed to hot temperatures or sunlight. Store the decorated dessert in the fridge as long as you can before serving for best results. Though chilling the mixing bowl and whisk isn't mandatory, it is helpful. The cold metal will make it easier for stiff peaks to form in the whipped cream. Simple pop your mixing bowl and whisk in the fridge 20 minutes or so before you make your whipped cream. Make sure you crush the pineapple into fine pieces if you plan to use a piping bag to decorate. If the chunks are too big, they will get stuck in the tip of the piping bag. This will not be a problem if you are using an offset spatula to decorate with. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.